Hey guys, I hope everybody's doing well, everybody's healthy. Hadley says hey. Also, today is somewhat back to normal for us. We are going to, you remember, if you recall in my earlier videos, where I would go and clean a house for some friends of ours. And anyway, I have not done that since, this whole issue started because, well, I work in the medical field, and then we had it, whatever. But anyway, they have a rental property, and I'm going to clean that for them before any residents move in. So, we're off to do that today, and we have to go by my mom's to set up everything for Hadley to go with her tomorrow, make sure she doesn't need anything. And we ordered some shoes for vacation that we have to go pick up. So anyway, it rained a good bit last night and this morning, so I did not have to water my garden. I haven't had to water my garden in several days because it's been so wet. Garden is still doing great. We've made some decisions about the coop. We've made some decisions about the coop and the way things are going to look with that. So I'll talk to y'all about those later. I know we have lots of ideas, and we don't know, and not that they're all like some of them are bad ideas. We just don't know which ones are the best ideas for us at the time, and it's kind of hard for us. It's great to have a lot of options, but at the same time, it's kind of hard to pick which one is the best. And obviously, the metal shed was not the best for us because of our time issues. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys about that later, and we'll see y'all in a little bit. Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing well. Today, I told you this morning I was going to clean our friends from church, their rental house, and it's great, and it was good. My vacuum cleaner broke while I was there. Seriously guys, this is this kind of stuff that, it happens to everybody, but it seems like it's like bam, 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 bam to us constantly. So I was like, yes. And now the chickens are flying out of the bathtub onto the floor, perching on the side of the bathtub. We've got to get this done this weekend. We've got to get their coop done because they've got to go outside. I can't have chickens all over my house. I will go nuts. Good morning, everybody. I hope y'all are doing good. I'm on my way to work this morning. It is Friday, and Jake is off work this weekend, so we have a lot to do. Of course, I'll take you all along with us on that. Updates on the chickens. The chicken's foot that was hurt is doing better. I guess it was just like an injury from pecking order issues. And then the coop will be ready this weekend, God willing, and we will ship them outside. I know people are thinking, you're keeping chickens inside your house. Yes, I am. Many people do that, and it is not unheard of. And we actually, and they have not been bad. Like, they have not been like stinkies like everybody and like I thought. We don't use the bathroom. We're gonna have to renovate the bathroom. We're gonna pull out, oh my gracious, this hair. We're gonna pull out the bathtub and the toilet, so it's kind of like it's not that big of a deal, So it's not like we're gonna ever use that bathtub again. So, but we are also coop, chickens. What else? Garden. Garden's doing well. The grass is taken over. Like, it's not hindering the plants at all, but it is like massively. It's going places. The grass. The garden is too. Like, the garden's doing great, but I have to get the grass out. Also, I have lots more seeds that I got. Now, I don't know if I'll plant these this year or next year or how that will work, but I have them, and I guess we'll just kind of see how that goes. And I'll show all that to you guys later. This weekend will be, I'm sure, like full of laughter as we attempt to build another thing. And, but hey, we have some experience under our belt now, so, you know, you never know. But I hope y'all have a great day. And I hope I have a great day. And we'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, guys, so this is where the building is that fell the other day. This is all the crap that has come out of that building so far. All this mess needs to be burned. And there's Jake figuring things out, I guess. And there's some of the stuff. But this is where the chicken's going to go, right here. And then we'll fill it with the nesting boxes and the roosting bars and stuff like that. But see all that crap in there? That's the job for the day. Yeah. So, we're cleaning out this big bunch of mess. Looks a lot better. We ain't been at it long. They see it now. We ain't been on it very long. But look. Jake moved a piece of tin. And y'all see them little things? Right there. And right there. That's where something was hiding acorns and under some tin. And sorry. And they're sprouting. So you never know what you're gonna find in a bunch of mess. Sorry, y'all. Hey guys, wanted to update y'all a little bit. This is what work looks like on my face. It's red. I'm sweaty. I'm on my way to get Hadley. She stayed with my mom today for a little while and swam so that we could get the chicken coop finished, which we're almost done. And I'll show you guys that when I get back home and get to my camera. But y'all, seriously, it is like, it's going to be a nice coop for them. It's an open air coop, so they have great ventilation and it won't smell as bad. And we'll do the deep litter method, and I can explain all that to y'all if you need it. I'm sure most of you know what it is. But anyway, it has been really hard work. Like, this has been like a serious lesson in homesteading, because we've learned so much just through this little bit, and the amount of money that we have spent by making mistakes. And I know everybody kind of does that. I mean, everybody goes through that kind of thing, but you know, you live and you learn, and we are trying to do the best that we can to not make any more mistakes like we made with the metal building. So that's that. Jake is still there. He is working on the building. I will have to be I will get the chicks in there hopefully tonight. You see all the bedding back behind me. There's 10 bags of bedding, I think. So that'll last a good while, and I'm hoping that they all do well in there. I mean, we've protected it just about as much as we can protect it, and I got them 2 little solar lights to put in there because my chickens like to have some kind of tiny little light so that they can see. But like I said, I'll show you guys when I get back home.